This could be the car for you. The 2018 Fiat 500e. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Fiat 500e, the future-focused two-door all-electric plug-in hatchback with agile handling and retro Italian styling. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Be smart, be stylish, and be part of the solution. Go electric in the 500e.